Imagine a moon, unlike anything we've ever known. Not rock, not dust, but a shimmering sphere made entirely of electrons, orbiting a planet built of protons. At first glance, it looks calm, a strange blue glow in the night sky. Yet hidden inside is an unimaginable tension. Electrons all carry the same negative charge. They repel one another with a force tens of billions of times stronger than gravity. In such a world, the moon isn't held together by stone and silence, but by sheer electric pressure, ready to burst at any moment. As this electronic moon grows unstable, colossal fields spill out into space. Lightning leaps between the moon and the Earth. Clouds glow at night. Oceans shudder under invisible tides. The sky itself becomes a living aurora. And then, the climax. The repulsive energy becomes so intense that even space-time bends. The mass equivalent of all that energy collapses inward, and the moon implodes into a tiny, brilliant black hole, a charged singularity surrounded by a blinding halo. A gravitational wave sweeps across Earth, shaking satellites and rewriting the night. Silence returns. The moon is gone. The sky looks the same, but feels different. And humanity understands, perhaps for the first time, the true power of the invisible forces that bind and shape our universe.